Another quality listing by Sabella Realty. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage, Gulf access pool home is nestled in the breathtaking, peaceful, and highly sought-after Yacht Club neighborhood. This well-maintained home brings the relaxing and peaceful Florida lifestyle to the next level. You will enjoy the versatile floor plan offering a large great room and dining room all wrapped around the centrally located kitchen. The 90-degree pass-through kitchen window will make entertaining your family and friends, whether indoors or outdoors, a cinch. Spend your weekends stress-free by the pool or boat to world-renowned beaches, or enjoy fishing the flats or deep-sea fishing in the Gulf of Mexico. Don't miss this slice of paradise. Set up your private showing today.